In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your CashPro app to the latest version. So by updating your CashPro app, it means you'll get a more secure app and you'll fix a lot of security issues. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix a lot of errors or issues you are experiencing with CashPro app. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store and then look for this app. For my case, I'll go ahead and tap on Google Play Store and then tap on it to open. However, if you're using an iPhone, then you'll need to go and look for App Store. So from here, go ahead and look for the app, and here's our app. Proceed and tap on it. As you can see, we have an update, which means the current version I'm using for this CashPro app is an outdated app and therefore it is not secure. So to get the latest version, just go ahead and tap on update, and from here the latest app will be downloaded on our smartphone. And once this is done, it will go ahead and install the latest and the newest version of CashPro app on your smartphone. And now you see we have an option to go ahead and open. So if you don't have the update option, then it means you have been using the latest version of CashPro and you don't need to update it. So that's how you update CashPro Bank of America app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.